Hi, I'm John Kroll, the owner of the Burning Moon Brewery. Burning Moon is a fictitious brewery that will help me show you the power of the LiveLogic Craft Brewery dashboard. LiveLogic writes powerful programs to import all of our data into an analytical database that is used to generate the views in our dashboard. This allows us to see data from different systems in one place. We are now on the Distributor tab of the dashboard, and I can see all of my distributors in a single view, see how they are performing against each other, and how they are doing compared to last year. The year-to-date sales chart at the top of the distributor dashboard shows me how well each of my distributors is performing compared to last year. The thin black line is this year's sales, and the gray bar behind it is last year's sales. I've known all along that Cooper is by far my biggest distributor, but didn't realize until looking at this view how impressive Walker Martin's growth is over last year. They've almost doubled prior year sales, and we're only in September. I can click on Walker Martin's in the top widget, and all the other widgets on the page update to reflect my selection. I see the brand and package mix that Walker Martin's has purchased this year in the middle two views here, and then down at the bottom I can see the order detail for every order they've placed. Now I'm looking at the chain tab for Centennial, and I see that I didn't lose any customers in the chain last month by looking at the widget up here on the top right. That's great news. I also see a big spike in sales this past June. Unfortunately, July and August have dipped significantly. Centennial are notorious for overordering, meaning they frequently aren't selling my freshest beer. I'll need to have a talk with them to see how we can improve that. I'm also able to see on a map where all of my Centennial sales are taking place, and see each store's volume based on the size of the dots on the map. Notice that the map is color-coded by the per capita income for each zip code. The widget on the bottom right shows me line charts for each Centennial. If I click on a line in the chart or on a store in the list, I drill down into the detail for that store. So now I'm looking at the detail for Centennial 130, and I'm very happy with the year-over-year improvement. This store has more than tripled last year's sales. I just need to figure out how to spread those sales throughout the year. The Gain-Loss tab is especially useful. I see a line chart that shows me how many customers I've either gained or lost over the past 12 months. If I click on the line chart for a particular month, the list of customers that I've either gained or lost is presented on the right. A gained customer is defined as somebody who bought something this month, but who hadn't made a purchase for the previous 6 months. A lost customer is somebody whose last purchase was 6 months ago. Gains and losses are mostly informational, helping me understand how my customer acquisition efforts are trending. The real power on this tab is the At-Risk Customers widget at the bottom of the page. I'm presented with a list of customers whose last purchase was 3 months ago, allowing me to take action before they leave. Some of the customers aren't a big deal as their purchasing pattern is sporadic, but others are significant customers who buy regularly but for some reason have lapsed. I'll get my sales reps to call them today to figure out what is happening. The LiveLogic Craft Brewery dashboard is available over the internet. The servers and software are maintained by LiveLogic, meaning we don't have to have any IT staff dedicated to this, and all of the maintenance and upgrades happen automatically. Everything is backed up and secure. The dashboard allows me to spend my time brewing and marketing great beer, not maintaining spreadsheets, and the kinds of questions it helps me answer are infinite.